Ready? Alright, everybody. It's been, I think, over a week since my last plunge. So we're going to do it. I am really dreading this. It is cold out here. I'm already cold out of my mind. I cleaned out the filter and my hands are freezing. The dog's going crazy. So without further ado, I'm going to freeze my butt off. Oh God, it's already so cold. How is it so cold? Oh, it's so cold. Oh God. I can't breathe. Okay. Okay. Oh, my legs. Oh, that hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it actually hurts. It's so cold, it hurts. Oh, it's so cold, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, okay. Oh, that is cold. Well, how do people do this? How do people do this? Oh. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, I'm okay. How do people do this? How do people do this?